Snipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at XRP here on the high time frame, and we'll take a look at it on the small time frame as well. We'll look at the bullish and the bearish scenario. So if we take a look at the macro time frame, we do see going back to January 2023, we have a 5-wave move to the upside with the 5th wave hitting the 1.236% extension. Now, the 1.236 is a common target for an ascending broadening wedge or a leading diagonal pattern. With a leading diagonal pattern, you're going to have a 3-wave move within each of the macro waves, and the waves are going to overlap each other. We then came down for a WXY correction lasting for over 1 year, with the Y wave or the wave 2 low coming down to the 78.6% fib measured from the very bottom of the trend right up to the top. And if you guys don't know, for all the people that are new to the channel, usually when the price comes towards the 70.2% fib and ends up losing it, it'll usually see a reversal at the 78.6% fib. So it's the 70.2 to 78.6% fib where the algo likes to take crypto before you tend to see a trend reversal. It's just something I noticed throughout the years. And it does look like our wave 2 low is in, and we're ready to start our very explosive and volatile wave 3 to the upside. Going to the small time frame over here, we have a bullish and a bearish scenario. So this is the bearish scenario over here, where we've put in 5 subwaves to create our wave 1. We've come down for a wave A towards our 38.2% fib using the linear scale. Now we're just going to come up for a B wave to any of these fibs over here before we have a C wave down for our wave 2, before we have our next leg up in the markets. Okay, so that would be the bearish scenario. The bullish scenario would be that we get over this red region over here sitting at 6096 to 6179 and go in for the 5th wave at around $76 to $77. So this over here would be the bullish scenario. Okay, so the bullish scenario would be that we've finished subwave 3, came down for a subwave 4 to the 38.2% fib using the linear scale, and now we're going to come up for a wave 5 towards the 76 to 77 cent region. And this resistance over here was found by taking a fib from this high back in March when Bitcoin topped out down to this very low on July 5th. And this fib over here was found by taking a fib from the very high at 93 cent back in July down to this low that we have here in July 2024. Okay, so it perfectly lines up with our trend-based fib over here. What bulls would want to see here going forward is a push above this red region right over here at 6096 to 6179 to confirm that we would see a 5th subwave towards 76 to 77 cent. If bulls can't get over this red region over here, then it's likely we'll come down for a C wave. So it would just be coming up for a B wave over here before we come down for a C wave heading into the weekend for our wave 2. So this over here would be our wave 1, and then you would see the price pick up at any of these fibs below for our wave 2 before we have our wave 3 to the upside. Okay, so we have both bullish and bearish scenarios. At the end of the bearish scenario, it still turns out to be bullish because we do see the next leg after this wave 2 comes to an end. But going forward, bulls would want to see a move above this level right here in order to confirm this bullish scenario. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the XRP video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And if you haven't joined the Discord, please click the link in the description below so you guys can stay up to date with XRP and all of your favorite assets. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.